Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before saying anything about today's vlog, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajnandini and this is my YouTube channel by Rajnandini. I create makeup and skincare content. So if you have not subscribed me yet, please take a moment to subscribe me. Your subscribing to my channel means a lot for me and it supports me a lot to continue this platform. To continue the thing which I like in the YouTube platform. And today when I'm shooting this video, today morning just PM Modi has announced that lockdown will be increased for next 18 days. So now we all thought that maybe after 21 days it will get over, but now it has to be extended for the safety of ours for the next 18 days. One thing that I can tell all of you is stay at home, be quarantined, be isolated. Please guys, because if we don't stay indoor, this lockdown will go on extending, and this is what we don't want, because we all have work, we all have a life, and we want to get back to our normal life. So it's very important that we stay indoor and stay locked down. So nowadays most of the people are utilizing their time on TikTok, which is a very good platform. Over there you can improve your acting skills and your dubbing skills. You can be more creative over there, and I see many of my friends are joining on TikTok. I'm so happy that they are. Even I am there in TikTok, but I am not a regular person over there. Whenever I feel like, I post 1 or 2 videos, not more than that, and it totally depends on my mood. But now when I have a lot of time, I am spending some time on TikTok also. So I decided that as the lockdown has been increased, so let me create a makeup look particularly for TikTok video. So this is the makeup look that I have created. This is a very simple makeup look. Basically the eye makeup that I have created is very simple, and it will go with any look that you want to create, whether it's an Indian or Western, whatever it is. You just need to change your clothes and accessories. Let me tell you one more thing. This particular eye look goes with every lip color. So every lip color, whether it's a dark, mauvey or nude, doesn't matter what, this particular eye makeup look, it goes with any makeup or any lipstick. So without wasting any further of your time, let me start today's vlog. For moisturizer, I am using the Superdrug Tea Tree Facial Moisturizer, and next I'll use primer, and for primer I am using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, and I am focusing on the areas where I have pores. For foundation, I am using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and with the help of my PAC Beauty Sponge, I'll blend the foundation out. You can use any foundation that you have. I am using Maybelline Fit Me because it is easily available and I know most of you own this foundation. For concealer, I am using the Elegal Pro HD Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'll apply this under my eyes to hide my dark circles and on my nose to get the extra coverage to hide my birthmark. Then I'll blend it out with my PAC Beauty Sponge, and also you can see I'm dabbing over my eyelid, which will give me a nice base for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable, and I'll use this on the areas wherever I want to highlight and brighten. Now this is the very essential step if you are using this makeup for TikTok video, because you want to bring out the features over the camera. For setting my face and concealer, I am using the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC40, and I'll dust this with the help of a brush over the areas wherever I have concealed and very lightly over my face. Moving on to my brows, I am using the Nykaa Brow Chica Wow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Coven Cocoa, and I'll quickly draw my brows. I'll follow the natural line of my brows. I'll not overdraw or underdraw it because it doesn't look nice over TikTok. I'm using the Blackjack 21 eyeshadows Mean Girl palette by Root Cosmetics. And I'm taking the shade Limousine from the palette, and I'll apply this all over my eyelid and crease. I'll darken the color and keep blending on unless I'm happy with the outcome. Then I'll take the shade Secret from the palette and I'll apply this over the outer corner of my eyes. Then I'll take this shade which is Natural from the palette, and with the help of my finger I'll apply this over my lid to get that shimmer over my eyes. Next I'll use the shade Jackpot from the palette, and with the help of a flat angled brush I'll apply this very near to my upper lash line, and then I'll blend it with a small bullet brush. This will give that light smoky effect for your TikTok videos. You can see me blending it thoroughly because I don't want the pigment to look very harsh. Next I'll take the shade Secret and Limousine and I'll blend the color under my lower lash line. Then I'll take the shade Bachelorette and I'll highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Then with the help of an eyelash curler, I'll curl my lashes and then I'll apply a thick coat of mascara, and for mascara I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll apply a thick coat over my upper lash line and my lower lash line. Moving on to my face, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Bronzer Kiss, and I'll bronze and contour the usual areas of my face which I love to do, which is over my cheekbones, temple of my forehead, my jawline and my nose. Next I'm taking the Faces Canada Ultime Pro palette, and I'll take the blush which comes with the palette and I'll apply this over my cheeks. Next I'll take the highlighter from the same palette and I'll apply this over the high points of my face, which is my cheekbones, bridge of my nose and my cupid bones. Moving on to my lips, I am using the Makeup Revolution London Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Prime. I'll line and fill in my lips with the help of this particular lip liner. Next, I'll take the Maybelline New York Superstay 24 liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Won't Move Mauve, and I'll apply this over my lips, and I love this particular shade. To lock everything in place, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Setting Spray. I'll set my face and I'll complete this look. So yes guys, this is all about today's vlog. I hope you people have liked this video. If you try this look, please tag me on Instagram, and if you try this look on TikTok, please tag me in TikTok also. I'll leave my TikTok and Instagram handlings right there in the description box. So yeah, this is the time for me to say you all goodbye. Stay safe, stay at home, don't go out if it's not necessary, not important. Be at home, be quarantined. That's all I can say.